That's awesome.
He's just gonna take
Get hit
footage
with the
of
rifle,
himself.
so it didn't even phase it.
I think you got it. Here, yeah, get the rest of them. Finish them off.
Die, golf ball.
The nice thing about that gun, you can stay in the scope even though when it recoils, because it doesn't recoil very bad.
That's plate.
Yeah, look at all that up here.
Oh wow.
Uh-huh.
Yep.
Yeah, like I said, you can see that bullet just splatter into. Look at that.
That's cool.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, look at this.
Fuck. My gosh.
Yeah, that 243, it's fast, so it just blows up.
Stand's holding up though.
Center head dot 9 o'clock. Well, iron sights are spot on.
Yeah. I knocked it down.
What?
I knocked it down.
Did I? Yeah, it's still swinging just sideways.
Okay. Just so you go down there and turn it.
Left hand target.
Let me go down and tape it.
What?
I'm gonna go turn it.
We did it.
Yeah, we sure did. Let's go ahead and knock that off there. That's how we split logs at 3 Mad Dash. See you later. Yep. Getting ready to whoop 5 pounds.
You were not standing there. Yeah, for the camera's close, but not us. It's metal.
I want to take all your audio out and just put you in slow motion with like the right stuff going on. Some cherry.
Alright, wait for us.
It took a couple of minutes. Look at the light.
It's the only thing to remain.
I was lucky I was okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're lucky anyone got missed on that.
That was a smooth cut.
Oh my god.
But the tent,
Any
but the
golf
tent
balls?
got damaged.
I think that was the explosion you were looking for.
Yeah. Yeah, that was definitely it. Wow. That was insane.